Hello and welcome in this video. In this video I want to have another example, which is to convert given days to years, weeks, and obviously days. So this is the statement of this example, which takes a number of days from the user, and after that it will convert to years and weeks and obviously days. So here I want to have a number of days, firstly a variable, and obviously years and weeks, the variables which are needed to us. And let's have a printf statement, because I want to have number of days from the user, and just as I want to save at the address of number of days. And now let's assign here the years to number of days which will be taken from the user and 365, because obviously years are 365 days. So weeks is assigned to number of days modulus 365 and obviously per 7. So I cannot have it here like this, so I just want to add bracket here because precedence, I want to add bracket here. So days is assigned to again number of days modulus 365, and again I want to have it and bracket and again modulus 7. So now let's print this, and obviously years and this amount of weeks, this amount of days, backslash, because I want to have a new line, number of days and years, weeks, and obviously days. Well, I've completed it here, so I just want to print, and after that I'll explain once again. You just see that it asks enter the number of the total days, total, for example 500. Yes, 500 is equal to 1 year, 19 weeks and 2 days. Well, let me explain once again. Integer number of days, years, weeks, and these are variables, and obviously it takes a number of days from the user in this line, and it will save the address of number of days. Years is evaluated like this, weeks, and obviously days. What it means, it will print the years, weeks, and days obviously, and then after that it will have this. So modulus here means divided, and the remainder will be, for example, number of days divided by 365, and the remainder of that will be again divided to 7. Okay, it is assigned this value to weeks.